First, you have to wash the beef so carefully. You need to all the blood out of the meat. This is green chili, I'm going to cook it in Bangladeshi style. So, we Bengali like to spicy, every food we like to spicy, more spicy. So, maybe it's enough. We will use the red chili also, but red chili powder, not okay. You have to cut it like this in between the green chili. Okay. Okay, green chili is finished. Now, onion. It takes time, Onion takes some time to process it. Onion and ginger, we have to piece it off. What can I say? Forget it. It is the easiest way to cook beef in Bangladeshi style. Okay, now we need to a little bit ginger. So you need to piece it off. So if you cut it like piece by piece, little piece, so there will be easy to piece. Garnier and ginger is in this, what can I say, whatever it is. So I will take it after some time. Now what we have the onion. You need to have some water because it is a very dangerous thing to play with. If you don't put it in the water, then you have to cry for maybe half an hour, and now I don't want to cry. You have to cut it like this. When you're going to postmortem the onion like this, cut into so many pieces. Be careful when you are cutting like this, because sometimes almost finished. What we have now, we have to cut the potato. You know, we Bangladeshi people like to eat potato into the beef. It's a great combination. When you like this, like that, like this. Piece it off like this, the onion and the ginger. You need to put the ginger and the onion like this. You have to put the green chili and onion. Red chili powder, it's like 1 spoon. You need to cook it like this, like 10 or 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you have to check the potato boil or not. Yes, it is boiled. Now the cook is finished. Now it is ready to eat with the rice. We Bengali like to eat the beef with the rice. Tan taran! Look what we have. We have meat with potato cooked in Bangladeshi style. We have also rice. So my dinner is ready. I can take my dinner. Look, I put so much soybean oil, so it is not good for our health to put so much soybean oil in beef, but you can cook it by less soybean oil. So my dinner is ready. I'm going to eat now. So take care and have a good meal.